Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later. We've spoken about asymmetry in our movements, and the half lemon is a great way to introduce that to ourselves. So, a half lemon, exactly what it sounds like. We know a full lemon, both feet open, round the sides and back together. The goal now is going to be to keep one leg absolutely true and straight, whilst the other one does the open sesame, round pattern and comes back in to join, okay? So remember, the leg will work just like that pencil in a pencil sharpener or a key in a lock. Turn it, open it, send it round with a little bit of pressure and bring it on back home. You may find that your other leg wants to join in and start turning as well, but this is about creating the discipline in our body movements so that we can work in asymmetry, non-matching sides as we go, okay? So make sure we get a good strong discipline of that one side. I'm going to demonstrate the opposite side now, making sure that we get a nice true line with one leg whilst the other one goes open sesame, round the houses, come back home. Open sesame, goes out the door, forgets the keys, comes back home, and we're back where we started. Another note about our half lemon, where we apply the pressure in our blade is going to be really important. So I've got one leg that's going to be trying to go straight, neutral, and the other one that's doing the power move, which is that half lemon round and back motion. That half lemon is going to be pressing into the instep of our pushing foot. So the arch of your foot slightly dropping downwards and pressing back into that arch, and then round and drawing together. That becomes passive. So each time we go open sesame, we've got a moment, a split second to decide to apply that pressure into the instep, press and then round and draw those feet back together again. And that's going to give you the momentum you need to keep moving forward.
Taking a look at the half lemons in action. Notice here the body weight is carried on the inner circle side and the outer foot makes the push. Our upper body can be held squarely, or we can introduce the giant L shape and make those arms appear to hug your circle. The push phase of a lemon should send the skate slightly back and outwards before we turn it around to bring it home again. And finally, always practice both directions and remember the outer foot makes your push.